Hey, welcome back. All right, so today we're going to be going into Homegoods to see what they have for winter decor. All right, we know Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so they have a lot of cute things for that, but we're not really going to be focusing on that, even though something about the green in the St. Patrick's Day I really do like, and they have a lot of cute things. One thing I did want to show you at Homegoods, even though we're not really looking there, it's these robes. They're like $150. I don't know, is that a good price for these robes? But I think they're really cute, something interesting for Valentine's Day. All right, so let's get into the home decor that I'm loving right now at HomeGoods. I talked about this before in another video that we're going to be doing a lot of travel inspired home decor, and they had like a lot of stuff from India and different places. And when I came in, I saw this African collection, which I thought was quite cute. This bowl, I would use it as a catch-all tray or something like that. But they have a lot of little interesting pieces that can give your home that traveled look. The drum was kind of interesting to me too. It's a lot of color for my decor, but that would be an interesting piece. You can even double it as some kind of side table. And then they have this cute table from India too. Along with all of the African pieces and stuff, like I said, they are so cute and so interesting. They have this screen divider. I know when I was younger, my father used to love a good room divider. I like both sides. That's the inside there, but I like the way it looks on both sides. So if you're looking for like an interesting room divider or something, HomeGoods has cute little pieces now. Like I said, they have the well-traveled home that you can get here at HomeGoods. My next piece that I liked so much were these side tables. I'm doing my bedroom over and I'm looking for cute little side tables, and this is something like what I was looking for. I've seen these style pieces and they can be quite expensive. So for $80, I thought this was a good deal, and they had a set of two. And then, you know, they have the greenery because right now it's cold, especially where I live. And if you wanted to bring some of that outdoor kind of vibe in, they have a lot of little greenery choices that you can bring into your home right now. All right, now they have, you know, a lot of, because for 2022, the home decor trends are going to be these structural type pieces. This, I believe somebody had bought because it was over to the side, usually where they put stuff. But it was a cute piece. And then this piece, I couldn't really get it out, but it's a movable island, a kitchen island, that I thought was cute. This one had a crack in the wood. I'm not sure if that was supposed to be like that, but it's a good price for this piece. I found another one that didn't have the crack and you can see a better view of it. So this would be a nice island. If you didn't have an island in your kitchen and you wanted something movable, this would be a nice little piece. And then they had this piece, not really my style, but I thought it was interesting. It was, you know, made, they say overseas, made in Italy, and it was handmade, they say, and I thought it was just a little interesting piece. I don't know where you would put it though. Then they had this cute little bar cart. I love a little bar cart, and this was cute, simple, and it's probably good for a tight space. They have the little bottle holders on the bottom too. I thought that would be a good one. And then the outdoor games. Of course, you can always find cute artwork pieces at HomeGoods. Something about these pattern pieces I liked. I don't know why, but it's something about them I liked. And then they have a lot of textural pieces I'm noticing now, but the pattern pieces, like I said, something about them I liked, and I just think that would be a good conversational piece of art. I don't know, let me know if I'm crazy. This coffee table, it's kind of similar to something that I did want, and it was on clearance. I just wish it was a little bit different, but it was a nice size, and I thought it was kind of cute. Then of course, more artwork. You see these type pieces all over the place, and this was a good sturdy piece. You know, thick, heavy, it had like a little weight to it. And then they had a lighter piece with just I think you could probably space those out, do those however you want, because they were separate pieces. This piece I loved. I've seen this type of piece in so many different high-end stores, with the curve and the different things. And there was something about this that I loved it. It doesn't have any glass in it, so there's no glass in it. I'm gonna go back and look and see if the other ones I saw had glass in it, but this was a nice piece if you have that space. This artwork, I don't know, it was not my taste, but it did catch my eye, and it was something interesting, and it was $1,300. So I don't know, why was it $1,300? Is this a famous artist? I don't know, because you know Homegood, you go for a bargain. But that was interesting. This table, I just did a table DIY, and now I want to go back and do something like this. Couldn't buy this piece because it's too big for the space that I want my table in, but I do want something like this now. I thought it was so cute, so simple, and just perfect. And you can see with the gold basket underneath, that was cute too. You could put 2 of those underneath and store stuff. But I thought that was a good piece. And then they also have something similar in a coffee table, which I also thought was cute. These, you know, restoration hardware places like that have these, and if you can find these at HomeGoods and you're into that style, these are awesome find. And it's quite a heavy piece too. For $25, that's a good, you know, heavy piece. And I like when it looks distressed like that because it makes it look more authentic, you know. This one was $50, and then they had a few other ones too that was similar to it. They also had a few marble pieces, which were nice and sturdy and heavy too. That tray was nice. It'd be something cute to sit on your coffee table. They also had a this marble box that I thought was so lovely. I love the colors of the veining in the inside. I wish it had more of that on the outside, but this was a good find too. So right now, HomeGoods has all those pieces that are going to be coming in for 2022. They have the marbles, they have the wood pieces, they have the well-traveled pieces. They have so many pieces that you can bring in to get your home ready for that 2022 look. And these warm woods and stuff like that, I think they're great for like winter decor. I don't know, let me know if I'm crazy, but a simple desk, something like that with a cute chair, I think that would work. They have these pieces with interesting detail with the side out, these chairs, which I thought were cute. I'm not into too much studding, but I think for this piece it works. And that green with the wood right next to it, so you're like right on trend if you get something like this for your home this year. Tacos, I love tacos. I don't know, does it have anything to do with home decor really, but I love tacos, and I thought these were super cute. So if you have, they got them in all different sizes. They got them in a kit. You can do for big display, little display. I thought that was just something cute if you're into tacos like me. Another little cute piece, the rattan pieces. Only thing with HomeGoods, when you find pieces like this, you have to make sure you check, make sure it's not, you know, falling apart or anything like that, like, you know, any snags or anything. But I thought that was an interesting piece too. If you're looking for some type of desk or something for your home, I think that would be nice. These mirrors, I'm looking for a mirror for my bedroom. I'm doing a bedroom makeover, and something about this, I love the little details in it. I'm not sure the specific style would go with what I'm doing in the room, but if I can find a place for this mirror, I definitely would get this mirror. Loved it because I love wood. I love wood. If you're into more glam, they have this one with the details and stuff, and not a bad price for the size of mirror that you're getting. Then of course they have so many choices. This one I loved. You can't, it's not really picking it up, but there's like a trim detail. You can see the arches, but there's a trim detail on the outside that has like this distressed look, and I love that little detail that that mirror had. Of course, more artwork because HomeGoods is great for artwork. This one I believe is ducks. I'm not really into ducks, but I just love the textures that they're doing now in the artworks. I think texture in your artwork is something cute, something different. I'm really getting back into photography too, so I like photographs. And then with the glass on top, it kind of gives you that little reflection, makes you feel like you're in some type of gallery or something. And then more texture there, like framing placemats and stuff. And it gives it a good it makes it look like it's something from somewhere. So like it makes it feel like it's a special placemat because you framed it and stuff. So good piece to talk about. And then these chairs, I like these chairs. I'm not sure if they're comfy or cozy or anything like that, but I think like the clean sleek lines, I like that about it. And of course they're the faux leather, I like that look too, because I like a good leather looking piece. Speaking on leather looking pieces, these candle holders, they have the little leather handle up top. I thought that was a cute added detail to it. So like I said, when it comes to this 2022, you want some pieces with some earthy tones, some leathers, some something like that. More cute candle holders that I thought would look nice in a lot of different style homes, so that's the good thing about Homegoods. They have pieces to fit so many different places. This piece I liked. I like something that looks, a little bit rustic, and it was a big piece. I should have put my hand next to it so you can see the bigness of it, because then they had a smaller one that was close to the same price, and it didn't have that distressed look that the other one had, and I like the distressed look more. But if you had a smaller space like me and you wanted a smaller piece, you can do that one. More of these style chairs, the blue, not my favorite, but if you are into blue, that was a good piece. I'm noticing a lot of pieces like this. This was broken though, so that should be on clearance, but this is a good wall hanging if you can find one that is intact. A lot of different pieces. You see that green piece to the side? I seen someone do a headboard out of the dog things, and they use a dog thing that looked like that, like a dog gate, but you can just buy the pieces now, so you don't have to take apart the dog bed. This tray, the candle was too heavy for me to take out, but it was something about this wood tray. I liked it, and I think that would be a good piece for like the middle of the coffee table or something like that. So there's a lot of good pieces right now for winter, and I'm gravitating towards the woods. Then this piece, it reminded me of like a chess piece or something. I like the more distressed looking pieces, but this is something cute, and it was on clearance. This piece was broken, but the way that it was, you could probably pull that off if you paint it, and it'll look purposeful, Then of course a good game. I think a wood game board is something nice and something that looks like you paid a little bit of money for it, but these were quite inexpensive for what you were getting. So I thought that was a good thing if you're into like, game nights and different things like that, which I tend to like. A lot of these little face mask things you'll see around at like high-end stores. I seen the Restoration Hardware came out with a few new pieces for this. This one I didn't particularly like, but I did like this vase behind there. There's something about it looked like what do they call it? Like a bone tile or something like that. And it was on clearance. I couldn't figure out if something was wrong with it, but I did like that. I also like these. I like anything that looks used and old and interesting, and so I like the way they did the paint and stuff and the detailing on these vessels also. So like I said, I'm loving what Homegoods has right now for the winter season. I'm always looking for a good coffee table book also to go in different places. This basket kind of shaped vase I liked. It's a little bit shiny, but I think you can play this off in a lot of different decor pieces, like a decor styles. This, another one that I like. I'm not into lions or anything like that, even though my daughter is a Leo and she is. I like the frame. Something about this frame, and if you can get a good piece of artwork in there, loved it. I'm trying to think, have I seen this somewhere at a high-end store, or have I just seen this so much at Homegoods? But I thought this was a good piece because I was going to do a DIY on something like this. So I think I saw this at a high-end store. Then, of course, this book, something about this book, the cover was a little messed up at the top, but just the photograph itself I loved, and then the back cover, awesome. I wish they hadn't put, you know, the sticker right there, because if you peel it off you might, you know, mess up the cover. But the cover was already messed up anyway. But they had good pictures inside. It has a nice black hardcover, but that photograph on the outside I loved. These chairs, something cute. I'm not 100% sold on those, but I thought they were something cute. And you know, HomeGoods has so many more choices in chairs, I feel, lately than they used to have before. This piece I'm looking for is something to do a coffee station in my kitchen, and so I'm looking for a good chunky piece with storage that I can use for that. So they had a few cute pieces. Another tile coffee table. They had just some cute pieces of furniture that I was enjoying on this trip. I did go to a few different HomeGoods. This $1,500, I did like that. I'm looking for some coffee table. I'm trying to figure out how to do this myself. I might try some resin, some something, because in my budget right now, there's not $1,500 to do a marble coffee table, but I did like that. I'm also looking for leather chairs, and then I saw this set. I seen a set on our house, I don't know how to pronounce that, but and they were a lot. And then I saw a cheaper version for $800, and then these are $700. It's not quite the shape that I was looking for, but I thought it was a good find because I am in the market for chairs, and this seemed to be the lowest price. And then this is my final piece. I love this. I wish it was a different color. I don't know if I can pull this pop of color off in my kitchen, but this would be the perfect coffee station for what I'm looking for. It was a good price, and it had a lot of cute storage, and I think I can make that work in my kitchen. All right, so that was it for HomeGoods today. Let me know what you thought, what was your favorite pieces, and I'll see you in the next one.